Alright, the weather's nice. I got some propane. Some of you guys haven't seen this. I think it's time I dig this thing out. Clean it off. Man, I haven't used that for a while. We'll grab the propane. Set it on top. Let's roll it out. Ooh, see all those speakers? I wonder what it does. About to find out.
I'm hooking up to the Bluetooth.
I mean, Dad.
It's a lot cooler when it's not so windy. Let's see what song is next on Pandora. Oh, wow, that wind got me. It's a little windy for it, but...
Tornadoes in Nebraska tonight.
From shore and then under a right whale bore. The captain called all hands and swore he'd take that whale and go. Soon may the whaleman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum.
I love these remixes.
Fried June bug.
Fuck them. Good choice, Hannah.